Lilly the Wild Cat. When Lily's mother called her inside and told her that it was time to be a good kitten and wash up, Lilly said,
"No, I will not wash up. I don't like the water. I'm a wild cat."
She ran outside and rolled down a grassy hill, laughing all the way. When she got to the bottom of the hill, she saw a squirrel. The squirrel ran up a tree. Lilly thought,
"How fun! I'm going to climb up that tree too."
She stuck out her claws and climbed up the tree as high as she could. By the time she got to the highest branch, she was covered in leaves and twigs. She sprawled out on a branch, took a twig out of her fur, and scratched her back.
"Ah, that's nice. Being a wildcat is fun."
After relaxing on her branch, Lilly heard her stomach growl.
"Wildcats hunt for food. I'll catch a mouse."
She started to climb down the tree. She stumbled and fell to the ground.
"Ouch!"
Lilly was all right, but she was a bit scratched up and even hungrier. Lilly crept to the side of the house and kept her eye on the bush next to the kitchen window. Soon she spotted a little mouse holding a piece of cheese. Lilly had never hunted before, and when she moved closer to the mouse, she made a bit too much noise. Luckily, the mouse didn't seem to have heard. She followed as the mouse scurried around the house and up the stairs to the front door. Slowly and carefully, she got closer until she could almost grab him. The mouse was very close to the edge of the steps. Lilly jumped with a mighty leap, but the mouse moved out of the way, and Lilly flew over the edge and landed in a mud puddle. Lilly started to cry and wailed,
"I don't want to be a wildcat anymore."
She went home and took a nice warm bubble bath. When she was clean, her mother gave her a big bowl of delicious beef stew. The end.